Hello guys, welcome to Amazon TV. I hope you are okay. Guys, it's 5 o'clock in the morning. Njengoba ngenza le video, ngizokhuluma nje in isiZulu because vele i-video ingesiZulu. Nanokuthi-ke njengoba ngihleze ngisho ukuthi ezinye izinto akuzona izinto zokuthi eseyizwiwa abantu abaphambana nezinto thina esizenzayo noma esiyifisayo. So guys, iy'nsizwa yisentabeni, zilale entabeni ubusuku bonke ziyothandaza. This video was live ebusuku until early hours of this morning. So guys, kufuneka imithandazo, bazothandazela izwe. So we need prayers as a country. Ngoba niyabona guys ukuthi silwa nemimoya. Njengoba ubona uphakela umthakathi usikhombisa iy'nsizwa ukuthi zilele. Insizwa leyana uyibonayo, insizwa leyana ubonayo ilele laphayana. Balale entabeni. This is winter in KZN, vele sekuyabanda. So njengoba belele entabeni balaliswe yini imkhuleko, vele ayikho into esingayenza without God. Guys, please, wherever you are, don't forget to pray. This is not a physical war, akuyona impi yenyama, yimpi edinga uNkulunkulu ukuthi angenelele ngoba niyabona ukuthi silwa nemimoya. Akuyona nje impi le ejwayelekile, akuyona the so-called xenophobia le ejwayelekile ukuthi kuthiwe kuyaliwa kuchitheka igazi, and uma singathandazi vele nakhona lingagcina selichitheka. So guys, njengoba belele entabeni kanje ubusuku bonke, it's not a joke. Abanye abantu bayahleka. I was reading ama-comment, bayahleka even wona amazayizayi ayahleka, abanye bathi i-witchcraft, basho zonke izinto. So guys, as South Africans, singakhohlwa ukuthi uNkulunkulu simbeke phambili kuyo yonke into. And what I love about uphakela umthakathi ukuthi God is always in front in everything he is doing. Each and every time you go on your knees to pray for whatever you are praying for, don't forget to pray for South Africa. Don't forget to pray for your country. So lento engiyibona lana, it touched my soul ukuthi ngibone iy'nsizwa, abantu abaningi abacabanga ukuthi abakholelwa kuNkulunkulu, mhlampe bayikholelelwa nje kuyidalwa nani. Ey'nsukwini zakudala vele isizwe masifuna ukukhuluma noNkulunkulu sasinyukela entabeni kuyokhulunywa noNkulunkulu, umdali wezulu nomhlaba. Kuyocelwa whether yimvula noma ngabe yini, kwakuyiwa entabeni kuyocelwa ukuthi Nkosi sisize, sidinga imvula, kune-drought, sidinga ukudla, safa indlala, yabo zonke lezo zinto. So baqhubeka kulelo siko lelo.
Hey, Nkosi yami. Yazi khona abantu abangakholwa ukuthi la kwaNongoma kuyalalwa entabeni. Silele entabeni lapha, silele lapha, sisemkhulekweni. Sizokhulekela izwe. Izinsizwa igcwele yonke indawo lapha. Wathi ngiphendulele ikhamera nibone. Izinsizwa kulelwe entabeni lapho, kuzokhulekwa, kuzobikelwa uNkulunkulu, kuzobikelwa umnikazi wabantu. Kuzobikelwa umnikazi wabantu ukuthi izwe, sifuna izwe lilunge, yabo. Izinsizwa emahlathini. Yo, sizocela uNkulunkulu ukuthi izwe lilunge. So bafowethu, enye izinto eyabulala lelizwe, eyenza lelizwe lafa, ukuthi kwaqedwa umkhuleko. Siyacela befundisi kusasa njengoba manje sekusile vele kuzongena isabatha. Siyacela abantu abakholwayo bekhulekele lelizwe. Abafundisi, abakhokheli, abantu nje jikelele, sicela belikhulekele lelizwe. Lokho esikwenzayo komunye kungabukeka ngathi into engekho. Lokho esikwenzayo kumuntu ongazi ngoNkulunkulu angabona ngathi into engekho. Kodwa ngifuna mina nibone ukuthi lelizwe lizobhekaphi kusuka manje kuya phambili. Ngifuna nibuke ukuthi lelizwe eminyakeni emibili kusuka manje lizoyaphi. Even abafowethu laba bakwamanye amazwe sithi abahambe, bemazweni abo. Ngicela nibuke ukuthi eminyakeni emibili kusuka manje, empeleni not eminyakeni emibili, onyakeni nje kusuka manje, nibuke ukuthi ngeke besukume belwela amazwe abo. Ngiyanifungela kwayona iAfrika izolunga ngalento thina esiyenzayo. So siyamema uNkulunkulu, siyamema amathonga lelizwe, simema inyanya zalelizwe, simema ingilozi zalomhlaba, sikhuleke emakhosini adela ubukhosi enza sure ukuthi lelizwe liba yizwe thina esilificile. Siyakhuleka ukuthi izwe ngeke libulawe ipolitiki. Empeleni ipolitiki sizoyilwela thina ukuthi ingabi namandla okuxhaphaza abantu. No politician is going to abuse this country. No politician is going to make deals about this country or on behalf of this country. We are bringing this country back to its glorious moments. We want South Africa to be South Africa for everyone. That is a South African, not everyone from everywhere. South Africa is for South Africans. Visitors can visit South Africa. Foreigners can visit South Africa. Immigrants can visit South Africa, but South Africa is strictly for South Africans. Like Uganda is for Ugandans. Malawi is for Malawians. Congo is for Congolese. So we can't be stupid and allow this country to be a foreign hub where everyone, when they want to desert their country, they just come to South Africa. Sicela uNkulunkulu aniphe impilo, sicela ukuthi niphile, ngicela mina niphile kanye nami, niphile emagazini, niphile emphefumulweni, niphile enyameni. Noma ngabe khona ubuhlungu obuzwayo emzimbeni uzwa ngathi awuphilile, ngicela uphile ngoba ngifuna ubone into engizoyenzela lelizwe. Ngifuna ubone ube ufakazi ukuthi umuntu phaqa uyakwazi ukusukuma athatha isinqumo. Umuntu maye indoda ebufundisa ubudoda. Mina ngiyindoda ngabufundisa ubudoda mina. Being a man was explained to me. I was taught very, very thoroughly as to how to be a man and what a man stands for. And I was told that I don't give I don't need to be given a position. I have a natural position of being a man. And if you are a man, you have a position of being a man. You don't need any authority. You don't need any selection or election or appointing to be to take part or take charge or to lead. You are a man. You were born a man, and as a male, when you come to this earth, you have a responsibility to protect the country, protect women and children, protect every contents of the land that you live in. Siyabonga wengane zakwethu, siyabonga uNkulunkulu anibusise niphile, nikhuleke bafowethu. Nikhuleke.
Instead ukuthi abafowethu ababuya ngaphandle bafunde ukuthi izinto zenziwa kanjani, bafunde kophakela umthakathi, bafunde kuma-South Africans ukuthi izwe uyalilwela, awubaleki, you don't run away. As a man, you don't run away from your problems. You face your challenges as a man. Bayabona, you see guys, here in South Africa, even women, they don't run away. They stand up and fight for their children. They fight for the country of their children. Why are you not learning from South Africans? Some of you've been in South Africa for more than 30 years, but you've not learned anything from South Africans. We know it's not easy. It's not an easy thing to fight the government. It's not an easy thing to fight the system. But at the end of it all, you will always win. Noma kungathiwa kufa abantu abangaki, but as a nation, you will always win because akekho umuntu ongahlula i-nation. There is no government that can overpower the nation the whole nation, as long as you come together as one. Forget about this thing of tribalism, because this is what these governments use to divide you. They allow you to fight each other and focus on this tribalism thing so that they will continue with their corruption. And it's so sad if you go online and you find a video made by an African making a joke of what is happening in South Africa, and you will ask yourself, are they okay? How can you make a joke about what is happening in South Africa, knowing very well that your country is worse than South Africa? Guys, you have to learn. You have to learn to fight for your countries. What you see here is not a joke. Ungahleka ngendlela ofuna ngayo, but you know deep down inside ukuthi yinto kufanele ngabe uyayenza uyenzele country yakho nawe le. You can lie and say whatever you want to say, but deep down inside you know the truth. You know what you are feeling inside, and you know you are in pains. So nje, there's no need to pretend. There's no need to lie, because you are lying to yourself. You are not lying to anyone. You are not misleading anyone. You are misleading yourself. You are misleading your own nation.
Hayi lalelani bafowethu, ama-Nigeria azohamba, ama-Nigeria khululekani, azohamba ama-Nigeria, azohamba nkulunkulu wami, ama-Nigeria azohamba nje. Ningaze nje ningaphathwa i-stress bantu base-South Africa. Ama-Nigeria nje sisafuna kuhambe bonke abantu, asale wodwa la. Ayoyiphosa phansi esuka phezulu emabhilidini, ngeke aphume ngemnyango, ayophuma ngamawindi liyosacazeka phansi. Azohamba ama-Nigeria. Awu labo ntamo olukhuni bazohamba nkulunkulu wami. Uyabona uma kuthiwa ngiwushaye kahle umnqumo, ngiwushaya kule ntamo enkulu, kusathi kuthi my God, oh, hey my God, oh, hey this is South Africa, my God, oh, I'm not going anywhere. Bese ngiyishaya intamo ngesagila ngqo, ngishaya ibuhlungu umhlwenga ngathi inja. Uyabona lokho ngama-Nigeria futhi kufuna kusale khona kuqala, kufanele kusale khona. Ama-Nigeria nje funa asale ama-Nigeria kuze sodila kahle nawo, ngoba vele awumdibi nje anganya lakithi. Abantu behlale bazi abantu ukuthi ngeke thina ngeke thina, akekho umuntu ongamelana nathi kulo mhlaba njengoba ungaka, akekho umuntu ongamelana nathi hlobo sidala. Orange Grove lapho kugcwele khona ama-Nigeria siyeza, nase-Orange Farm nalapha na okubulawe khona imoto yama-security lapho kuthiwa ise-Mayfair khona, ngizwa kuthiwa isizinda sabo laba base-Ethiopia nabase-Bangladesh no Pakistan. Lezo zinto sofike sihlale emgwaqweni 2 days wonke singasuki. Niyabona njalo bantu baseGoli, amakwerekwere awanihloniphi. Nani bantu baseThekwini lapho ko-Point, amakwerekwere awanihloniphi, ngoba nina nizenza ukuthi ningcono kunabantu basemakhaya. Kusuka thina la emakhaya buka nje silele ehlathini sizothandazela nina ngapha niyitshela ukuthi ningcono. Akekho umuntu ongcono. Sukumani lapho sihlangane silwele izwe lethu, sikhumbuze uhulumeni ukuthi yithi esivotayo, ngoba kuzovotwa nje. Mkhumbuzeni uhulumeni ukuthi yini enivotayo.
Every person in Africa, each and every citizen of Africa must go back and fight for his or her own country. Enough is enough. Usikhathele njengamanje sifuna nathi ukulungisa into zethu, sithwele kanzima. You are a burden to us right now. I-country yethu iyasinda emahlombe because of nina. Asisakwazi ukuba ne-peace, asisakwazi nokufocus. So guys, please hambani niyolungisa iy'ndawo zenu. So South Africans, Pat Shorts, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, to like and share the video. Love you guys. Bye.